Alright, hey guys, we're back here with tips and tricks. I believe this is number 3, and so I'm going to teach you how to use WorldEdit to make some really cool stuff. Basically, the first thing I want to teach you about is how to access the commands. Type WE, help, pretty easy. All these commands, kind of confusing, but the first ones I'm going to teach you how to use are ones that will help you build structures without the monotony of placing a billion blocks. And so one of the easiest way to do this is to you can build you can say I want a hollow sphere, which is in the commands over here, and you give it a block. I'll make it out of glass, and I will make it uh, maybe 7 blocks out. Let's see, I gotta do a double slash there, and so right there you can see that it made it 7 blocks out. Now let's say you did something and you're like, ah, crap, really messed everything up. Well, just type undo. Pretty easy stuff. Anyways, if you want to make something a little more elaborate, what we can do is we can set positions. That way we can actually decide what positions we want. So you just say there's H position, there's position 1. H position grabs the position of your cursor, whatever block you're looking at. Well, I'm going to use position 1 to pick the position right here, because I want a floating island. I want some type of floating something. I'm falling. There we go. And so, bam, and I'm going to use position 2 right here. Now I'm going to use a command called set. And what this does is it sets all of the blocks to whatever you want it to be in that area. So I'm going to go ahead and set it to glass. So bam, now I got this huge glass building. Although there is a problem. It's full of glass, and I do not want to go about busting all this glass up to make a building. So, in order to fix that really easily, we're going to grab the inner block in the corner. We're gonna say H position 1 for this one, and then we're going to go diagonal to that. Whoa, I made a really long building, really tall too. This is going to be an awesome building. And we're going to find this one right here. Again, the other corner, but just inside. We're going to say hollow. And what that does is it hollows out the whole space in between the parameters that you just set. So if I could get in here, there we go. Then now I got this awesome building here. And it's pretty dang sweet, I'm not going to lie. I'm digging this building. But glass is too easy. I don't want people to see my lobbies. My lobbies see-through. People can just see all over the place and see how boring my server is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the position here again. I'm going to use H position 1 to grab the full outer blocks. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to use H position 2. Now I'm going to do something cool. Again, because the previous thing was pretty sweet too. So I'm going to actually make some awesome colorful joy house. So I'm going to actually do 25% of my blocks. I'm going to do red wool. I'm going to do 25% blue wool, 25% yellow, and 25% light green. And what's going to happen if I did it right? Let's see, 25. Actually, you know what? I don't think I need, I don't need these in here. I don't know why I was adding those. Take all those out. Bam. I got myself an awesome wool building that nobody can see in. And then once again, it's all filled with wool, so you got to go in and hollow it out. But anyways, you can do a lot of different things with this. For example, instead, let's say I want to make, something for like a custom resource area with my own custom resources, and I'm super generous, so I'm going to offer them diamond ore. So I'm going to offer them lots of resources: coal ore, iron gore. And so I just, bam, I created this resource area. Of course it's floating, which is a little bit uncandid and probably shouldn't be that way. But anyways, I could create a custom resource area and decide exactly what resources I want in there. Anyways, the next thing I'm going to go over is copy and paste function, which is super easy to use. But for now, I am going to cut this video short because they do tend to get a little bit long. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. You take care.